Okay, so I made some of these dumplings, and these are the vegetable ones. And I'm going to make these little guys into some gyozas. What you basically do is you put it, this is freshly done. So I made them out of this, the beautiful mixture that I made. Oh, it's so good. These the mixed vegetables and the kale, the cabbage, carrots, a little bit of bell pepper, onions, and all the seasonings that you'll see in my other video. And then what you do is you put just a little bit of oil. I use a little bit of sunflower oil, and then you just kind of saute them so they're a little crunchy. Oh, that one's a little bit overdone, but that's okay. It'll give it some flavor. And usually I use tongs, but I'm using my fingers right now. But usually you want to use a tong, okay? So always kitchen safety. Tong, tong, tong. Okay, so I have it on, I don't have it on really high. And usually when you're going to put some stock in there, you want to use it at a little bit of room temperature. But this is cold, but that's okay. You go ahead and you just put just a little bit of stock, and what's going to happen, that's going to cook. And then you just kind of cover it up like that and let it do its magic. Now these are the ones that I made earlier, and they have the meat, and I froze them. I put them on a parchment paper, and then what I'm going to do is freeze them so I can have them later, because I love dumplings. And then I could just put these, like if I want to make a soup. Well, you got to be really careful. And I noticed that what I was doing is I was doubling them up on this one, on these right here, which is not good. And actually they're supposed to be single. And I'll just have them for later, which is pretty neat. And you know, just cook them up. If that falls apart, it's okay, because it's going to flavor up the stock, and I'm still going to eat it. And then that's it. You just put them into, and you place them in some Ziplocs, and then you freeze them, and then you have a wonderful, delicious wonton soup. And then you just take your favorite stock and you add it to them, and then you just. But these right here, my friend, I am gonna make. Yeah, I'm making some gyozas instead. And actually, it doesn't need that much liquid, but oh well, it's okay. I'm gonna use my chopsticks and just cook it as you just look at the instructions and make sure that you follow the instructions. I'll probably add a couple bay leaves to that. I found some bay leaves. You can never go wrong with bay leaves. I'm going to add a couple, not bay leaves, basil. Basil. So I'm going to add a couple basil leaves to that, and then I'm just going to enjoy. Alrighty. I'll talk to you later. Bye.